Welcome to King Smith Strength, and thank you for choosing our HKI-1 Hack Squat machine. We are excited to help you put together your new equipment so you can start enjoying its benefits right away. Now in this video, we're going to provide you with a detailed step-by-step guide to ensure an easy and smooth assembly process. Now before we start, I want you to make sure to get all your tools and all your parts in one place. And in order to make the assembly easier, you're going to want to hand tighten all of those nuts and bolts at first to allow for easy adjustments later. Oh, and make sure to always check for some loose screws and bolts periodically as you go. We're now going to start the assembly of your HK1 to get you set up for some intense and effective training.
Let's start by assembling the bottom frame. 1. Connect the rear bottom frame, part 8, to the main base frame, part 7, using hardware M10 bolt F, M10 lock nut L, and M10 washer I. 2. Attach the bottom connector tubes, tube A, part 5, and tube B, part 6, to the main base frame, part 7. 3. Secure the front connecting tube, part 20, to the main base frame, part 7. 4. Finally, attach the front frame, part 24, to the front connecting tube, part 20. With the bottom frame set up, let's move on to the support frame assembly. 1. Attach the footplate support, part 21, to the bottom frame using the M10x50 bolt, D. 2. Connect the footplate, part 22, to the footplate support, part 21, using the M10 bolt, F. 3. Secure the side support arms, part 26, to the bottom frame using the M10x60 bolt, part E. 4. Attach the rear support pillar, part 13, to the bottom frame and side support arms, part 26. 5. Connect the top connecting tube, part 25, between the side support arms, part 26, using the M10x90 carriage bolt, H. Lastly, add the reinforcement plate, part 15, as shown, securing it with the M10x90 carriage bolt, H. The support frame is now complete. Let's move on to the guide rod assembly. 1. Insert the guide rod, part 12. 2. Connect the safety handle lower connector, part 3, and shim, part 9, to the safety handle, part 1. 3. Secure the top connector, part 2, to the safety handle, part 1. 4. Attach the backrest mounting frame, part 14, ensuring to include the damping spring, part 18, and shock pad, part 19. Secure it using the M10 lock nut, L, and M10x70 carriage bolt, G. Now that the guide rods are in place, we'll move on to assembling the weight plate holders. 1. Attach the shoulder pad mounting frame, part 17, using the M10x90 carriage bolt, H. 2. Connect the connecting tube, part 10, using the M10x70 carriage bolt, G, and the M10 lock nut, L. 1. Attach the backrest, part 23, to the backrest mounting frame, part 14. 2. Finally, connect the shoulder pad, part 16, to the backrest mounting frame, part 14. Now that all major components are assembled, let's make some final adjustments. For final adjustments, ensure all parts are properly aligned and make any necessary adjustments. Once everything is in place, securely tighten all bolts and nuts with the appropriate tools. Perform a safety check to confirm that it is stable and ready to use.
Well done! Your King Smith Strength HKI-1 Hack Squat machine is now fully assembled and ready to supercharge your workouts. Now it's just time for you to go and get those gains. Thank you for choosing King Smith Strength. Stay strong, push those limits, and let's crush those fitness goals together.